Hi everyone, this is Kenny here, and today I'm going to take you to eat this dish called Yang Chun noodles. This Yang Chun noodles, right, is prepared by a hawker who's relatively young actually, and his specialty is his homemade dumpling. So sometimes you can see when you come, he will prepare the homemade dumpling on the side. I usually have it fried, but you can have it steamed as well. I prefer fried. So let's go, alright? So at Desa Setapak, that is the mama there, Alfala Nuri. It's very famous, and then BRJ, right? You turn left if you're coming from there, and once you turn left, right, you cannot miss this spot. This is the JC Red famous food court. Okay, so this is the food court where you find the Yang Chun noodles, the QQ Yang Chun noodles. Alright, the first name is in Mandarin, so I don't know it. But once you come in here, you just turn left. This is the store you will find. So this is the place. You can come here, and I usually order this Yang Chun handmade noodles, and together with Chinese chai. Okay, you can have this also if you want. I usually have this fried lah. So small one fried 550. Okay, but all the stuff here is good. This is my go-to usually, and sometimes I will order this. Next time maybe I will just order the sweet and sour also.
They are using a machine down there.
Oh, the machine is down there.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is a machine to take over the
He's baking the dumplings. This is his specialty. So you can see Mr. Lee here is actually very young. It's quite rare to see a young hawker actually.
Yeah. I got a lot more nowadays.
Yeah, you are right. A lot more.
Last time.
So he's preparing the skin, then later only you wrap.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You have any for I want to order 5.
Fried.
Yep, as usual lah, fried. So you make your own noodles also?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's the same dough.
Same dough, right?
Yeah.
Oh. See, everything handmade. Everything handmade here. So when you come here, you know that it's freshly made every day. Every day, what time you go to the market? What time you wake up and do all this?
I got uncle to send so I have to wake up early.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. So at least your uncle can help you. Ah, yeah, no, this behind those chap fan, they go pasar every morning. So he's making the noodles. How long have you been doing business?
For about 6 years.
6 years. So this where did you learn how to make these noodles? Okay, so he's making my Yang Chun noodles.
I got a chance, auntie actually taught us me and my partner.
Oh.
Actually taught us how to make noodles and everything.
There's an auntie to teach you how to make noodles. Oh.
We don't really know her because last time when we started, we actually started selling some other stuff.
Oh.
And she saw us 2 youngsters working in the hawker and everything, and she's really interested that she can actually teach us how to do.
Oh. So how do you come into this food business? It's a very rare to see someone young to come into food business.
Yeah, I graduated with a diploma in food preparation. So
You got-
I actually went to the hotel for work.
You went where?
The hotel.
Hotel. Oh, so you
I worked there for 1 year.
Oh.
So 1 year, my partner and I decided to come out and start our own business.
Oh, you study culinary arts.
Yeah.
Wow. You got a degree in culinary arts.
So I got a diploma.
Oh, wow. It's my favorite Yang Chun noodles. Power are you? People usually continue working in hotel, you come out and work.
Maybe the environment is not what I like.
Oh, so you put the finishing touch, the eggs, and also this minced pork. No, pork slices. There it is. Now. Like that? Oh, okay. Dumpling. So this is my favorite dumpling. This is my favorite dumpling. She's preparing the dumpling. Fried. My favorite. This recipes is like not from here, right? It's from
Like a mix and match.
mix and match,
Yeah.
China recipe localized already.
The idea is from China one. So we like change the recipe a bit so it so that local people will like it even more lah.
Oh,
Yeah, it's not like authentic Chinese recipe.
it's not authentic Chinese recipe lah. Oh, that's
Actually
what.
go to all those Chinese restaurants, you eat the flavor is different.
Oh, okay, okay.
The concept behind it is the same.
Oh. Okay, we are done. So it's usually served with the black sauce, vinegar. Last time I used to have the ginger inside, right?
Ginger,
It's inside here. There's a vinegar and also the ginger. So here it is. I got the Yang Chun noodles. This is the Yang Chun noodles. The Yang Chun noodles. And this is the fried dumpling. And this is not the black soy sauce, it's vinegar. Usually it's served with vinegar. Fresh noodles made fresh right in front of your eyes. Let's get the noodles up. You're supposed to stir it. Everything is down there. The sauce is also down there. So you stir it and then you can taste the noodles. Fresh and springy. We serve with a little bit of pork pieces or meat. But very hot very nice. Now for the dumpling. So after frying, this is how it looks like. I put it in a little bit of vinegar. Inside there there's pork meat and chives. So they have another type also. That's how it looks like. So if you are ever around in Desa Setapak, do come to Red Famous Corner. It's actually a hawker center. So you come in, right? The moment you come in, turn left, you will see the store already. Alright? So I'm here with Mr. Lee, the owner of the store. Mr. Lee, I heard you are going off to Johor after this, is it?
Yes, I'll be continuing my career over there because actually my partner has opened up a shop over there. So we are opening our second outlet. The first shop is at Taman Pelangi. The second one will be near Mount Austin, Setia Indah area.
Mount Austin, Setia Indah.
Yes.
So you'll be based at Mount Austin, Setia Indah.
Yes, I'll be based over there.
Where are you starting?
I'm sorry?
When are you starting?
It'll be after Chinese New Year.
After Chinese New Year.
So after Chinese New Year, someone is going to take over this stall.
Okay.
Yeah, everything remains the same, just that someone else is operating it.
Well,
Yeah.
I've been eating your noodles since like the day I came here, which
Yeah.
is about 4 years ago, and I'm going to
Yeah, I
miss you.
think.
But at the same time, I would like to wish you all the best. I'm
Yeah.
very happy for you, really very happy for you.
Yeah, thanks.
Guys, Mr. Lee here is very young. He's less than 30 years old. So if you are around in Johor, Mount Austin, I will send, I'll put the shop link below on Facebook page. So please try and visit it. They're very basic Yang Chun noodles and most importantly the dumplings. It's not the finish. Mr. Lee, you have anything that you want to say to your new Johor?
It's definitely a new challenge, something new for me as well. So if you're around the area, maybe you can drop by and have a taste of what we can offer for you lah.
Okay.
Right?
So all the best, yeah?
Right, thank you.